I have a keyboard. It's magic. Wanna buy it? No, but yeah. So you've probably seen all the other videos about magic keyboards, and they're expensive because they're magic. Put this up. Put this away. Anyways, so how could I compare this keyboard? Well, this is what I was using. All right, you can see the DVD port. It's heavy. So every once in a while, every 10 years or so, I need an upgrade. I also do illustrations like this one. Oops. Like this one. And yeah, so I'd need something that I can do both on because I can't afford both. Looking at the iPad, the iPad Pro, I feel like I got the best of both worlds. It's not the best by any means. It's because remember, I'm used to this keyboard right here. This one. That's what I've been using. And I wrote a 400-page novel called Founder's Keep on the Magic keypad. Is it the lightest thing? No, it is not. But it is stable, and I like it. It's not magic, but I like it. The iPad gives me the best of both worlds. I can do my digital art. I can do my illustrations with that, and I can type with this. I like the texture. I did not like the fabric texture of the other iPads that apparently weren't, broke. I wrote an entire 400-page novel on the Magic keyboard, right? And you can try to see it. It's got a little bit of wear and tear, some fingerprints, but it's held up. And it's fairly light, not super light, but fairly light. You're gonna find better reviews on some other whatchamacallums. Yeah, the advertisements. This isn't a paid advertising. This is me sharing what I thought about the iPad and this thing, the Magic keyboard. It's I haven't had any problems with the magnets. The magnets have all held. Oh boy, yeah, no problems with the magnets. You see that? And it's boom, boom, detaches, attaches, no problem. Hasn't worn out. I can carry it. Is there better keyboards? Probably. But one cool thing about this keyboard is I don't have to have the Bluetooth on. So if I go to anywheres, I don't, because I always turn the Bluetooth off. One, it saves battery. Two, it's an extra security measure. It's some people leave it on all the time. I don't. I'm paranoid. Yeah. And so yeah, that's some digital art that I like to work on. I got the pencil. Do I miss my computer? Yes. Turns out having a brain is nice. Turns out, for one thing, I've noticed on the pages in this program and the iPad, and And Pages is a fine program. I just think it's not used to people like me, and they don't like articles, over 30 pages long. So I have to break it up. So 400-page book, broken up in 4 sections. It's not a big deal. It keeps organized. But it's not nice when I go a little bit over and everything glitches out. So I have to pay attention. Um, so yeah, that's the Magic Keyboard. And it's up to you. It's expensive. Everyone's on hard times, but if you uh, have need something that's dependable, that's not going to fall apart, I was pleasantly surprised. I've carried it around. Uh, I haven't had any problems. So, are you interested in a Magic Keyboard? That's the question. Um, if I was just doing emails and I was watching my budget, I wouldn't. No, 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 no. I wouldn't be able to justify the expense. Are there better keyboards? Absolutely. Let me show you this. Check out this thing. That's a keyboard. All right. Uh, kidding, kidding. Um, but yeah, Magic keyboards. Who knew? And this is the book and the cover that I made on the iPad and on the Magic Keyboard. I wrote it out. It's 400 pages long. And I also did an audiobook, which you can find on this channel. It's called Founder's Keep. And if you like dragons, magic, adventure, and mayhem, that would be a fun book to read or listen to. And if you want to get the print version, that should be out shortly in either the end of December or January. Struggling to get it out before Christmas, but we'll be releasing the audiobook first, and I feel, since I'm a new and aspiring writer, that I should at least let you listen to it to see if you like it before making a purchase. As you wouldn't buy music before giving it a listen. So I figure this is the same thing for a book that takes a lot of time, and if you're interested, if you like fantasy fiction, Lord of the Rings, and that sort of thing, it'll be fun. It'll be fun. And the link is right below. Thank you so much.